What's going on, people? In today's video I'll be talking about the DJI Neo 2, one of DJI's most overpowered drone that everyone underrates. As you can see from my Neo 2, there is so much cracks in the fuselage, things coming out of place, the antennas bent, the gimbals, not the gimbals, the prop guards are a bit bent. This is one of the strongest drones I have. I didn't use this to practice FPV, but I would recommend anyone looking to get into FPV. It's £209 for the drone only, and the drone only is more or less what I use the most. I don't fly these with goggles or the motion controller or the FPV RC. I used to, but I've come to find the Neo 2 is the best form of tracking drone out there on the market. This tracks things phenomenal. Apologies guys, I am so tired in this video. I had been doing so much traveling, 4 hours plus. I had been doing on-site risk assessments, emails, as well as exploring. This is a better tracking drone than the Mini 4 Pro. And the reason why I say that is because this drone is equipped with LiDAR. And with the LiDAR, that means in dark or low light, I have better reliability with this drone than a Neo 1, an Avata, or a Mini 4 Pro. This being much more smaller and having the LiDAR feature allows for the Neo 2 to follow you through tight gaps that the Mini 4 wouldn't, or that the Mini 4 would just possibly crash. Now the Neo 2 is fast to set up and get running. I believe that no pilot should just have one battery, so the motion fly controller makes more sense because the drone is too fun. I like the fact that with the Neo 2 you can use it for FPV, following, and the traditional camera drone. It's safe indoors. It's not that loud, so I can take it off in my hotel room and no one won't complain. It comes with Jedi control, which I'm lively gonna show you in this hotel room. I'm gonna live show you. So it's from Rare, so that's a bit scary, but I'm gonna show you.
Rear, follow, 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Connect to app to see why.
It's probably the lighting, and I thought it was gonna go a bit crazy because I've set it to high, close, and rare. So ideally the drone's gonna take off and then go around me high up like that, and I think it saw the light and thought no, it's not gonna happen.
Well lit, textured environments.
But the AI on this drone is perfect. It talks to you. I can control it with my 2 fingers without looking at it.
Circle.
If I hold the buttons, that changes these settings.
20 meters. 10 meters.
So yeah, I think overall the Neo 2 is a drone that a lot of people don't want to admit is a phenomenal drone. The camera quality, I'll show you the sensors. It has one sensor up at the rear and another one at the back, which is sort of like a fisheye camera sort of thing, and then you've got the 2 little dots at the bottom. Yeah, overall I think this is a phenomenal drone. Excellent for beginners, excellent for seasoned FPV pilots, for DJI enthusiasts, and it's also the second drone I have. If you haven't seen my video where DJI repaired my drone for free after a astronomical crash due to the weather, this is my second Neo 2 from DJI, and it was given to me free. So I do want to appreciate DJI for their astonishing customer service. I'm not sponsored, however I would love to be sponsored by DJI. Once again guys, thank you.